Welcome to the Vtiger Backup Automation tutorial, where we'll guide you through the seamless process of setting up automated backups for your Vtiger files and databases. With this effective Vtiger extension, you can ensure the safety of your data by backing it up on your local computer or a cloud-based server of your choice, such as S3, FTP, FTPS, SFTP, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Let's dive into the steps. To access the extension, navigate to Tools and select Automated Backup. The configuration page of the Vtiger Backup Automation will be displayed. First, you'll need to configure your cloud server with the extension. This will allow your Vtiger files and databases to be automatically backed up on the chosen server at scheduled intervals. To begin the configuration process, navigate to the top side menu and click on the Configuration tab. Here, select your desired cloud server from the drop-down menu where you want to back up your files or databases. For this example, we'll walk you through the S3 configuration. Click on the Edit option and enter your S3 account details. To obtain the access key and secret key, log into your Amazon S3 account. Navigate to the IAM section by selecting User and clicking on IAM. In the IAM section, click on My Security Credentials, and then select Create Key to generate your access key and secret key. Copy these credentials and paste them into the appropriate fields on the Vtiger Automated Backup configuration page. Determine your S3 region by clicking on Global in your S3 account's top bar and selecting the region nearest to you. Enter the region name on the configuration page and click Next. Choose the desired bucket name from the drop-down menu. I have selected the Docs to Cloud bucket and click Next. To mark the S3 server as the primary for backing up all databases and files, tick the checkbox. Before saving the configuration, I will show my selected bucket of my S3 account. Here you can see that there are no files or databases in this bucket. Now come back to the extension. Once done, click Save to store the configuration settings. You've successfully configured the Vtiger Automated Backup extension for automated backups on your S3 server. Likewise, you can configure your desired cloud server, such as FTP, Google Drive, Dropbox, FTPs, SFTP, and OneDrive with its appropriate credentials. If you prefer a hands-on approach to data backup, the manual option is for you. Navigate to the settings and click on the manual option. Your Vtiger files and databases will be instantly downloaded to your local computer. It's that simple. Now, let's explore the convenience of automatic data backups. Enter the time frequency and the number of backups to retain. Customize your database backup schedule by selecting the time frequency from the drop-down menu. Options include every hour, every 2 hours, every 4 hours, every 8 hours, every 12 hours, daily, weekly, fortnightly, and monthly. Also, choose the number of backups you want to keep on your server. Keep in mind, if you select 2, only the data backup of the last 2 days will be saved on your primary server, automatically deleting older backups. It's highly recommended to retain at least the last 7 days of data backup for optimal security. You can automate the data backup by setting up the Cron scheduler. To keep track of your data backups and their status, head to the Audit Logs on the top side menu. Now let's check out on my S3 account. Here on the selected bucket, you can see the file has been uploaded automatically. Thus, your data is now safeguarded automatically in your desired cloud server, ensuring peace of mind. This is all you need to know about the Vtiger Backup Automation. Hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.